Primetime news this evening. Police provides sketch of main suspect in 8-year-old's killing. Calls for the death penalty getting louder. And chaos outside a St. Catherine's school as taxi operator is killed in full view of students.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, the Bank of Jamaica is to start distributing the new banknotes on Thursday. That and more in the business day.
Okay, and Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, local stakeholders have actually found some ways to help with the rescue and the care of strayed horses or retired horses who are roaming the streets. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thank you, Janella. We are expecting dry conditions for the remainder of this week. Stronger winds are also forecast, especially across coastal areas. And we do have a smallcraft warning that takes effect tomorrow. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the state of cancer care in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.